Okay, my pork I boiling for half hour. Looking good right now. You see that? This is pork soda. You know, you want a little fat, a little bit vein, a little bit meat, a little bit meat, a little bit fat. This is skin pork soda. Have the front leg is very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to put them together. First of all, I cook it for half hour. Just clean out. Okay? I'm gonna put them together. So I show you another step. Here come my boiling egg, almost done. Let the water boiling, then I stop. I show you another step too. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my pork here. Clean it up. Oh yeah. Clean up first. I like to clean my meat. Oh hot. Ooh, burning. Yep. Clean up first. From the sink. Okay, this is fresh ginger. I'm gonna put a lot of ginger because this kind of food I cook and I love a lot of ginger in here. And this ingredient I put 5 spice. You know, this 5 spice from Thailand. 5 spice powder. So this is make like Tom Khem stew, brown egg and pork, saute and sweeten a little bit. How the way you want it. You know, every day I have to buy product from Thailand. Because Thailand is because I know the product from Thailand right here. You go Thai market, you see this product, you always buy, put in the house. That's your ingredient in case you want to cooking this kind of food, okay? So I'm gonna show you how. Let me peel off the ginger. Okay, just peel off the ginger, just like that. And I'm gonna slide a little bit by this. Yep, I'm going to show you how to peel off. Yeah, peel off all of them, nice and clean now. Just like that, nice and clean. Okay, here the ginger, I'm going to peel the ginger, peel it off. Yes, clean it up. Yep, right here. Okay, I'm going to cut the ginger. Then I'm going to slide. Like that. Here you have it. I'm going to finish all of them. Okay, this is last one. There you go. A lot of ginger. I love ginger. Look at ginger. I just been cutting, guys. Love the ginger. You can put how much you want. You don't have to be like me. Because I love ginger. I eat like a vegetable. So that's why how much I put here. The egg boiling for half hour. I'm going to turn it off. So I'm going to cool it down. Put the cold water. Clean up. Okay, let the hot water get out of here. I'm going to put the water, cool water in there. Alright, now put the cold water in there. Let it cool down. Stay here for like half hour. Let it stay in here and I peel off later. Yeah, that's it. Just let them be here for half hour so they can cool down. Okay, this is Tom Khem, you guys. For the party too. I cook a lot of food, you know. So let's go ahead. I cooked from last night. will cook anything. You know, this is crazy with cooking with Chef Sisu. Anything happen, guys. Anything happen. Yeah, anything happen. So this is how Tom Khem. Tom Khem moo, stew pork, salty and sweet with egg too. You know, egg. This is a lot of herb in here, and this pork right here, pork shoulder. It's a fun leg, you know. I love the skin. I love the skin like that, and put a lot of ginger. I don't like a lot of meat. When we come to eat this one, you have to have some fat in there, you know, like a 3-day, you know, bacon, you know, stuff like that. But you don't have to eat every day, you know, every once a year. It's not gonna hurt you. I know it's a fat, but it's flavor. That's why, you know, people love this. Once a while, you eat that. When we come to Asian, they love pork, you know, but when they eat, they don't get fat because we're so small anyway. So we don't worry about get fat to eat that, alright? Okay, I just want to share, you know, I just warm it up for the party. This is party. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the bucket right here. Put the bucket. Get ready. Yep, turn it off. Put in the bucket. Ready to go. Look at this. Oh yes. So there, very easy. Like that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of egg, a lot of ginger, a lot of pork, a lot of juice, salty and sweet. That's what you want to taste. You want to eat that salty and sweet. Okay. Okay guys, and here come spring onions. Make a nice beautiful and then taste it at the same time. This is cooking by Sisu, gotta have that. Always spring onion topping. And this is, I save for me to eat at home later. You know, I give it to them all of this and I come home, I'm hungry. So, why I have to be hungry when I'm cooking this? Okay guys, look at how beautiful is it? Oh my god, look yummy. Look at that. Ooh, cooking off. Yes. Okay, save some for me. Yes. Like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, come up more idea. Okay, thank you for watching. Thai style. That's taste. Oh, I love this lamb right here. I love the lamb right here. Oh yes. Yes, very good. Spicy lamb